Have you ever wished you could just talk to ChatGPT instead of having to type? Imagine being able to have a conversation with it hands-free, just like talking to a friend. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do now. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable and use ChatGPT's voice mode. And at the end of the video, you should be ready to start chatting with ChatGPT yourself. Alright everyone, welcome once again back to Blind Accessibility Tips. Now listen, this video is a follow-up to the videos we have been doing in our ChatGPT series. So we have already taught how to use ChatGPT with a screen reader on the web, as well as using ChatGPT with the Windows app. So if you need to go back and learn some of the skills we've already discussed, feel free to look for our playlist or ChatGPT playlist here on YouTube and check out the videos. And look, let us know what you think of the videos in the comments. Do they help you? Have they been good to you? Have you learned something? And for this particular video, if it has helped you, please remember to leave a like on the video so that it goes out to more people. All right, let's go. Now let me try the voice chat. So I'm going to escape to deactivate the message area here. And I'm going to down arrow, or I could tab through, but I'm going to down arrow to find voice.
Out of section, clickable menu button, collapsed submenu, add photos and files.
That's add photos.
Menu button, collapsed submenu, choose tool. Clickable button, dictate button, clickable button, start voice mode.
Start voice mode. All right, pressing enter on this.
On section, multi-line editable, ask anything.
Hi ChatGPT, can you hear me? You realize I just said if it can hear me and there was no response. That's because I'm using this account for the first time, and it is also in my incognito window, so my Chrome browser is asking if I will allow ChatGPT to use my microphone. If I tab,
Close button.
I hear close. Let me tab again.
Microphone combo box, microphone array, AMD audio device, collapsed.
Okay, that's the name of my microphone. Let me tab again.
Allow while visiting the site button.
Allow while visiting this site button. Yes, I might want that. Let me tab once.
Allow this time button.
Allow this time.
Never allow button.
Never allow. I'm going to choose the one that says allow while visiting this site, which would mean that I would have to shift tab back to that option.
Allow this time button. Allow while visiting the site button.
Right, and then press enter on this.
Poem about computer lessons, Google Chrome, incognito.
Good. ChatGPT, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. What's on your mind?
Can you tell my audience what ChatGPT is?
Sure. ChatGPT is an AI language model created by OpenAI. It's designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the prompts or questions it receives. It can assist with a wide range of tasks, from answering questions and offering advice to creating stories, or even just having a casual conversation. Essentially, it's like having a smart assistant you can talk to at any time. Would you like me to explain more details about how it works? Or do you have something specific in mind for...
No, that's it. Thank you much.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help.
Clickable and voice mode button.
Great. And what I did there, I tabbed once and ended up on end voice note. Then I pressed enter and it closed the voice chat. And that's how simple it is to use the voice chat with ChatGPT. Okay, now it's time to hear from you. Have you used the ChatGPT's voice mode yet? And if you did, what was the first thing you asked ChatGPT when you spoke to it? Let us know in the comments. We want to see what you did. And listen, remember, if you appreciate this video, please do not leave without hitting the like button. It allows the video to go to more persons who would like to be able to get this information. In our next video, I'll be taking a look at the newly minted ChatGPT 5. Does it make any difference for us as blind and visually impaired persons? Stay tuned for that video, as well as you can watch the video that's coming up on your screen right now. See you next time.